Oh man, I got a whole fish here. Bro, they even make me soup and spring roll. Whole fish? Man, it's not fishy. Wow. So good, dude. Miss my mom. She... A whole fish? Bro. I can't believe it. Oh, they even give me a sauce. Bro, dip it in the sauce. This is amazing, bro. Bro. So good, dude. So I have to eat this whole fish all by myself. I can't take it home. I don't have a refrigerator. I don't have anything. The only thing I have home is 3 beers. That's all I have in my fridge. 3 beers. That's all I have in my fridge. That's it. Ah, fish. So good. So good. But don't forget to eat the rice. But like the whole soup they make me, bro. They just make me a whole soup. Big bowl of soup. Like, look at all this green is in here. Like meat and shrimp and bread. Say, dude, I'm just blessed to be here. I don't even know what to say. These people just give me just so much love, and dude, I'm speechless, like speechless. You know what I'm saying? Speechless, dude. Like, my mom see this, dude. She's gonna be so happy. She's like, man, you eating good. My mom is super happy after I post this video. She's gonna like, man, you know, at least I'm cooking for you. She's always calling me. She's like, who cooking you food? Like, how do you eat? Every day. I love my mom, bro. I love my mom, bro.